welcome to the first summer vlog. This one might be a little bit all over the place. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow along for the rest of my summer adventures. Let me know if you like this style of video or if you have any ideas for me in the future. We are going to a concert tonight. We are going to no cigar at the power station. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. Was out for a drink last night and it was freezing. So I don't really know what to wear, but I know for a fact I'm gonna get sweaty in there. So this is what I have on so far. I just found a gem and I feel like I can sweat more freely. Let's get ready for a no cigar. I swear I almost fall asleep in there every time. My nails are done. So pretty. I need to go home and make some food. Going out tonight again. We've got a couple friends opening for Parkland's festival after party. We've got another night ahead of us. Going for a drink. Guys, this is a monumental moment. I'm wearing a mini dress. Whoa.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Let's go get drunk. This is a Esmeralda Spritz.
Good. Let's save these until all the juices are expired.
That's out of pocket as Merds and I got each other a mysterious drink. This is my mystery drink of the night.
It's piss.
Quite literally. Yours looks lit. Give it a try.
Ooh, it's good.
It's got white chocolate liqueur in it. I was like, that's a bit of you.
So good.
Yeah?
Strong.
That's so strong. Like limoncello or something?
Yeah. Oh my god, yours is strong.
This is gonna send me over the edge.
Who's gonna shift this forward? Photography 101.
was a maxi skirt and it had like this velvety floral trim on the bottom, so I cut the skirt to a mini length and then unpicked this from the bottom, which literally took me like 2 hours, and now I'm going to pin and hem this part and attach this to the bottom. This is the final product. Not bad for a first swing project.
Just taking a photo of your cat.
We're going to Azabu for dinner. What are you gonna get?
I wish so.
Bourbon. Feeling crazy. I'm gonna get this one. Okay. It's spicy. Szechuan pickles, karaage chicken, tuna tostada. Look, I'm reflecting.
So shaky. Oops.
Two opposites. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Okay, this is babies.
Nice.
And I
minutes.
This one.
First beach day of the summer was a success. Now we're gonna go and get some acai. I feel like we're kind of matching. It's already finished. Are we walking? Cool. Hey guys. We're going to the Auckland Central Flea Market today. We literally live right down the road. We're walking. Never drove.
Sorry, this is just a little segment. We
Walking really fast. I used to sell at the Central Flea. It was actually my job for a long time.
Self-employed girlie.
Self-employed or delusional, who knows?
Nah, self-employed. You slay. Mads and I are finally doing our room. We've had so many plans for this room, so I'm going to show you
kind of where we're at so far. Okay, this is our bed frame. We're just gonna do some mods to it. We got it off Facebook Marketplace and someone has actually DIY'd it. Pretty much what we're doing is we're gonna build like a bed canopy. I'll insert some inspo photos here for reference. I've been seeing all of my Pinterest. So we got these really nice sheer white curtains that we're gonna string a tension rod up and across. And then we're gonna have like the long white curtains draping across the top and down the sides. Done, and then this short curtain will drape across the top. We'll come back when the second side is done. Are you happy with it? It looks so good. And the lights, we can change it to whatever color we want. For anyone that wants to like replicate what we've done, we just used like tension wire and have suspended it between 2 bolts, 10 meters of wire. We just have, maybe I'll link these for you guys actually. Yeah. Guys, I got them from Shein. We have really high ceilings in this house, so it was super hard for us to find curtains that were gonna be long enough. And these were like, I think 20 bucks for the long ones per curtain, and then these were only $10. So this was a really inexpensive project.
Are you excited to go to bed tonight? Yeah?
I want to modify the bed as well.
Yeah. Give me so nice.
To see the new Jujutsu Kaisen movie. We're big fans. We're both wearing the Jaded London monster joggers. Nice.
I'm 7 foot, so it's great. She's 6'9".
I'm actually 11'8". Stop.
6'8".
Good morning. I thought I would take you on a reset morning with me. It's hair wash day. It's literally like reset everything day. The house needs to be cleaned so bad. I have taken the sheets off my bed. I have a couple of loads of laundry. I want to vacuum the house, clean the bathroom, doctor's appointment at 10:45. I do want to try to get some sun today too. I'm a true vlogger. House is vacuumed, dishes are done. Now I have to go to a doctor's appointment. Hello. I did not film anything for the rest of the day. Went to my doctor's appointment and lay outside in the sun for a little bit to read my book. Now I'm sewing. I have an outfit that I want to make for festive season. This is the fabric, hot pink mesh with little flowers on it. I decided to make it into a 2-piece set. I finished the little top. I'll try the top on actually and show you guys what it looks like. I'm too lazy to take my tank top off. Here is the little top, the little skirt, like literally just a mini skirt. I just got my New Year's nails. You can't tell me those aren't like the coolest things you've ever seen. My nail girl sees the vision every time. I will put a photo right here. My inspo, she's literally amazing. They do such a good job every time. Good morning, Merry Christmas. I always buy something and save it for Christmas Day. This year, I bought this skirt from a flea market. She's so beautiful, guys. this is the bottom. Let's go make coffee. We got in at like 10 last night, so. Those are ridiculous. It's like mid-morning. I thought I would unbox all of my blind boxes that I got in Japan. I also have my sister here, so she's gonna experience the Christmas joy of me opening my blind boxes with us. I'm just gonna like fish around. I'm not even gonna look in the box. The first one I really want to do is the sort of Slovenian families one. These are the options. I'm gonna... I wish I got more of them. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Next one is this little sleeping critter, and they like go on the top of your computer. This one looks like Sned, especially with my nails. I got it! Literally looks like Ted. They're my favorite. That's all the options. Satisfying. Do another hit on her.
That's the right way. Oh my god, you're gonna be obsessed.
Oh my gosh, they're literally so adorable.
His little weapon.
I'm gonna open this one. These ones are like Japanese themed. These are the options.
Toes. Oh, good luck. Oh my god.
Shut up. He's got little creatures. Okay, last one. The options.
Yeah. You could keep that box or something and be cute with a little set of flowers in it.
Yeah, true. Okay.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Kind of scary. Wait, okay. I think this is Marionette. He's a puppet. And he matches them. They're like a little family. Okay. That's all of them done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye.